it's Hannah, and welcome back to my channel, or hi, hello if you're new here. If you're new here, hi, hello, and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a really pretty pink and green halo eye look. So if you would like to achieve this look right here, then just keep on watching and grab your makeup brushes. So before I begin today's video, I really just want to quickly say that I was really up in the air if I wanted to do a video today or not, or if I wanted to post one Saturday. Monday, I know I did not address this in Monday's video because Monday's video had been pre-filmed before everything that has happened in the world that has happened, but I just quickly want to come on here and say that I have decided to still post and upload my normal regular content just like I always would, because I want my channel to be an escape from the reality and just from all the horribleness that is going on in the world. I would also like to say and just extend out my sincere condolences for any of you who are suffering right now, whether you lost someone to any type of injustice in this world, whether or not you've lost a loved one or a friend or a family member, just whoever, to COVID-19, just whatever you are going through right now. I am deeply sorry, and the amount of hatred that is going on in this world that we have is really sickening and it's really scary. This is a time that we should all be coming together instead of being divided apart. So with that being said, I just want you guys to know that I'm always here for you, and that, you know, things eventually one day will get better. They will. We just all have to work together and just stick together and create change where change needs to be made. So let's go ahead and get into this tutorial. So I'm going to start out with the Pigment Palette Slay Essentials palette. I absolutely love this company. This company, it really works, and just they make incredible products. They have such diversity with their team. Their quality is just phenomenal. I'm going to be taking the shade at Flamingo. Flamingo has a shade in this palette that I worked with before, and I really liked it because it's a bright neon hot pink, and that is the look that I'm going for today, with this being a pink and green halo look, because pink and green are two of my absolute favorite colors. So to apply that shade, what I'm going to do is apply that to the inner and outer half of my eye here, and I'm going to be using this tiny little detailed crease brush to do that with. So I'm just going to take a little bit of the product and apply it to those areas. This is a palette that has a really pretty shade of a lime green in it that I really want to use today. This is the City Color Hypnotic palette. This is a gorgeous, colorful palette. I absolutely love this palette. It is such good quality. The packaging is a little bit kind of flimsy though, because it's like that cheap cardboard packaging. But I'm going to take the shade Elfie, which is just that really pretty neon lime green shade right there. I'm going to be applying that to the center where there is no shadow, and I'm going to be using this flat shader brush to apply it. I'm also going to be dampening my brush with a little bit of the Morphe X Jeffree Star Continuing Setting Mist. Curling my eyelashes, and I'm going to be putting on some mascara. The mascara that I'm going to be using today is just the Milk Makeup Kush Mascara. This is just a little sample size that I got from Sephora a while ago. I haven't really played around too much with this mascara, so I'm a little curious about it. I have tried it a couple of times, and I did like the length that it gave my lashes, but I'm really just, in general, just really curious about it, so I'm going to start using this full time. It has a big, nice brush on it, which I really love, so I'm going to be applying that today instead of the Believe It Beauty mascara. Using the Kassina lashes in 76 because I just really like these lashes. They're some of my favorites. I wanted to use some more bolder, dramatic lashes today. However, those need to be trimmed to fit my eye, and I'm just a little bit lazy today, and I don't feel like doing that. So I'm just going to use these because these have already been trimmed to fit my tiny little eyes. The eyelash glue that I'm going to be using today is just the same old Kiss eyelash glue. This is just in the black formula. I actually really like this because it doesn't show the lash band too much. And then I'm going to be using this metal little lash applicator that I got off of Beauty Big Bang forever ago. They're really cheap on there. I think they're like $1 or $2. You seriously cannot beat it, and you get like a big pack of them. am back, and I did my foundation, my concealer, my powder off camera. So now we're going to be doing the lower lash line. So I'm going to take a little bit of Flamingo and apply it a little ways under here and then under here. Then I'm going to take the shade Elfie and I'm going to apply that to the center. So I'm kind of going to make a halo effect down here on my lower lash line. I don't think I'm going to be doing any eyeliner into my waterline today just because I kind of don't feel like it. So I'm just going to be doing a little bit of lower lash mascara after I do that. I'm going to be using the Milk Makeup Kush mascara. I have to say I really liked the way that it applied on my upper lashes. I do remember really liking this, so I think this might become a new favorite mascara, but we'll have to see. It did flake a little bit though the last time I did use this on my lower lashes. But I'm not really going outside or anything today, so, I mean, it should be fine. So, let's go ahead and get right on into doing my lower lash line. I'm going to be using my Benefit Hoola bronzer to warm up my complexion. I love this bronzer. It is absolutely one of my favorite bronzers ever, hands down. I just love it. I'm totally obsessed with it. And to apply it, I'm just going to be using this big fluffy brush. I'm going to be using the Physicians Formula Butter Blush. This is just in the shade Natural Glow. It is a really pretty, nice, natural pink color with just a little bit of a shift of a shimmer. I absolutely love this blush. It is so pretty on the skin. And to apply it, I'm just going to be using this angled blush brush. Here and realize that the batteries in my little candle over here has unfortunately went out, so I need to change out the batteries in that, which kind of stinks. So I'm really sorry if you guys can't really see it that well because it's not lit up. I promise in Saturday's video it will have new batteries in it and it will be lit up. But anyway, I'm going to be using some highlighter next, and for highlighter, I'm going to be using the Essence Pure Nude Highlighter. This is just their original shade. This is my highlight. This is one of my absolute favorite everyday highlights because it's such a subtle, natural, glowy from within highlighter. It doesn't have any type of glitter in it whatsoever. It is just a nice little sheen. So it's kind of more like a satin, but it's a gorgeous highlight. I absolutely love it. And the reason why I wanted to use it today is because we got a lot going on with the eyes. I kind of want to keep the face and the lips simple, so that's why I want to use it. Plus, I haven't used this highlighter in a hot minute. So what I'm going to do is highlight my cheekbones with it with this cheek highlight brush. And then I'm going to be highlighting the inner corners with this little lip brush right here that I got off of Amazon. So if I had a lip liner, I would use this before I put on this lip color. However, I don't have a nude lip liner right now at the moment. I really need to order one soon. So we're just going to go in with a lipstick instead. This is from Maybelline. This is just their lipstick in the shade Baddest Beige. And I absolutely love this lip color. It is a really pretty nude with a really pretty shiny glossy finish. It is not sticky at all, but it is really moisturizing on the lips and it's really nice, which is why I really like it, and that is why I'm going to be using it today. And so that is the completed pink and green halo eye look. I really hope that you all did enjoy this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up down below. And also don't forget to hit that subscribe button down there as well, because I'm here for you with new videos every Thursdays, Saturdays, and Mondays at 6 or 6:30 p.m. Eastern Time. Also, don't forget to give me a follow over on social media as well, so that way you can keep up with me, keep tabs on me, and keep a lookout for when I post and upload new videos. If you did enjoy this video, I'd also greatly appreciate it if you did share it on social media, so that way we can gain more subscribers and we can get more views on this channel, because I would absolutely love that and appreciate that so much. And so yeah, thank you all so much for watching this video. I greatly appreciate it, and I will see you all in Saturday's video. Bye, my little unicorns.